Hey there, my friend. This is Dr. Anthony Balduzzi, founder here at the Fit Father Project and the Fit Mother Project. Today's video, I want to show you one of my favorite bodyweight leg exercises, the box step up. And this is an exercise that not enough people are doing, but it's absolutely incredible for strengthening your glutes. And it's even good for athletes for building explosive power and strength. And it's really great for people following bodyweight fitness programs who want to find a way to actually really challenge their legs. So what you need is essentially some kind of bench or box setup. I have a little bit of an exercise box on a little platform, but you can easily use an exercise bench or something as long as you have some stability. And here's how you do this exercise. First off, you want to find a box, I would say, as you're beginning, that's roughly around mid-shin level. And as you get stronger, you can maybe get it right below the knee, but you definitely don't want it too high as you start, because I want you to build some strength. So you start with one leg at a time. We're going to train one leg exclusively at a time. I want you to put that leg on the box ahead of time and create tension in it. So I'm pushing down on this foot to start, creating tension in this leg, tension in this glute right here, and my posture is really strong here. Now, what I'm going to do is shift forward just a little bit. I'm going to press hard and slow right up to here. And now I'm going to lower, 1, 2, down. Press up again, fire. This other leg comes up right here, right down. I really do enjoy the effects of basically feeling this leg. You even put your hand on your glute to make sure it's firing. Fire that leg, squeeze, tension the whole time. Slowly lower on the way down. Fire up, squeeze. Slowly lower on the way down. You're going to do about 5 to maybe 10 reps each leg. You do not need weights to start this exercise. It's about tension and firing up slowly right on down. Now, an exercise that a mistake that a lot of people make with these is they jump off that back foot. So let's say I'm loading this right leg now. Here's a mistake. What a lot of people do with these is they basically hop off that back foot. This right leg did no work to get up there. It was a jump off this left foot, and then they come down like this. And these are more for like cardio purposes. You're kind of doing just like this little hop thing. And hey, you're burning calories, but if you want effective exercise, you want to minimize that jump off the back leg. You want to tension out this front leg as much as possible and do almost no jump. Small lift off, right on up, slowly lower, touch down slow. Come up, slow, lift off. No jump off that back leg. Right on down. So again, tension out that front leg as much as you can. Go, 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 go. Slow lift off. Come right on up. And I think this leg coming up helps create tension in that glute, and then you unwind it down. So key here is not to jump. It's to load that front leg, to focus on all that tension. I would say do one leg, 5 to 10 reps. And then immediately go the other leg, 5 to 10 reps. As you get stronger, you will move the box higher before you start using weight. Your box might only be tiny at first, and that is fine. I'd rather you get into the habit of, even if it's like literally as short as this, I want you to get in the habit of creating tension in this leg, driving up here, then slowly building that box up higher is way better than getting in the habit of doing the jump stuff. So this exercise, because it does create a lot of tension, is something I would do maybe in the second or third slot of your leg workout. It's something you might do after squats because it is single leg and it's a little more of a finesse exercise, but it still is high tension, it still is explosive, and it's very challenging. Don't need to do this in high rep. And if you get super strong at these and you can do it on a high box while holding dumbbells, your legs are going to be very powerful and very strong. And this is also really great for your posture as well. So that's how you do the box step up properly. No jump off that back leg. Keep the core tight. Go forth, kick butt with this exercise. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Hit that like button. Let us know and give this exercise a shot. This does require balance. So I want to say this. If you feel like your balance is a little shaky, what you can do is this. You can use maybe something like this on the side to maybe help with your balance as you go through. Totally fine and acceptable, because this exercise is not about balance. It's really about that tension in that front leg. So you can use a broomstick or something like that, and that's it. Those are the tips for today. Hope you enjoy this. If you like this video, hit subscribe to our Fit Father Project and Fit Mother Project YouTube channels. We literally have hundreds of videos like this. Exercise form tutorials, free workouts, free meal plans, motivation, how to get and stay healthy both yourself and your family. We're the Fit Father Project and the Fit Mother Project, the health and fitness experts for busy moms and dads in their 40s, 50s, and 60s. This is what we do. So subscribe. If you want to see more of our videos, you get access to everything when you do subscribe. Hit the thumbs up, like button, and drop us a comment below if you do try these box step ups, and let us know how they go for you. Thanks for being here, my friend. I'll see you on the channel, and I'll talk to you very soon.